Hey guys, what's up? This is Jerry with another video, and today I just logged in and I thought, you know what, I'd make a bank video. So, let's just get right into this. Maybe a little progress. I've been working on really hard so you guys will like what? Bro, I'm cleared or what? The heck? What is going on? This is crazy, man. I had thousands of Jerry sets. I know I thieved over 20 silk. I had over 20 silk in my inventory. This is just crazy. I got hacked or something. I don't know how I got clean. This is crazy. I can't even believe it. Who would just do that to me? Who would even hack me? Who is this? Marl's trading me? A Vine? No way. He's not gonna accept it. There's no chance he's gonna accept this trade. Bro, if he accepted that trade, think of how no freaking way. Think of how many Jerry Jewbag sets I could make. At least a dozen. Whoa, man. Huge shout out to Marl, bro. That is just fantastic. I can't even just fathom this right now. Marl just gave me a vine. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this new bank video. Hope you enjoy it, so let's go. Alright, starting from the top left, we have a Vine. So, thanks everybody for watching my bank video, and subscribe, and PK video coming out soon, so feel free to give me money.